Banks and credit cards. Every company has a bank account or cash in hand account. Therefore, bank account creation is very important. From bank accounts, you can pay for your expenses, or you can enter your income. You can enter customer receipts. You can enter supplier payments. You can enter bank transfers. And you can enter VAT payment or refunds. Let's set up a bank or credit card. For that, you can go to banking module, select list, select list of banks and credit card, and click add a bank or credit card. In addition to that, you can go to banking module and you can click add a bank or credit card. In this screen, you can enter your bank account details. You can enter bank account name. This bank account name should be a identifiable name, your bank account in the system. You can enter your bank name, or you can enter your account name, and you can create your bank account. Sometimes you may have more than one account in same bank. In that case, you can use bank and your account number as a combination of bank account name. Right. Next, select bank account category. You may have credit cards, fixed deposit, NRFC accounts, petty cash accounts, savings account, current account, like that, different categories. You can create bank account categories from banking list, bank and credit card categories. Here you can add a category. Or when you are creating the bank account also, you can create your bank account category. You can select category and click add new category, and you can enter the new category name and save. We have already created a few categories, so you can select your bank account category. Next, you can select the default payment method. There are 4 payment methods: cash, check, credit card, EFT. EFT is electronic fund transfer. You can select the payment method. The main advantage of this default payment method is when you enter any transaction, if you select this bank account, this default payment method display as the payment method. So when you are entering the transaction, you can change the payment method, or if you are mostly using this payment method, you can create this as a default payment method. We'll try one example. Go to customers, transactions. I'll enter customer receipt. Click add receipt. Now this bank account is Sampath Bank and default payment method is check. Okay. Because when you are creating that bank account, we have selected default payment method as here you can see default payment method is check. Therefore, when you select this bank account for any transaction, any banking transaction, this default payment method will display as payment method. If you want, you can change the payment method when you are entering the transaction. If it is cash, you can change the payment method to cash. Right, next, bank name. You can select the bank name, and most importantly, this bank name is compulsory. Therefore, if you are creating any bank account or credit card, you need to enter the bank name. Now sometimes you may create a cash in hand account or petty cash, so in that case also you need to enter bank name. If you are creating cash in hand account, you can enter bank name as cash in hand account and create your bank account. Next, account number. You can type your account number and your branch name. And you can create your branch code. You can enter description to identify this bank account. Right. Next, there's an active checkbox. If you tick this checkbox, this bank account is an active bank account. Sometimes later you inactivate your bank accounts. If you are inactivating any bank accounts, you can uncheck this active checkbox. Next, default checkbox. If you check this default checkbox, this bank account will be your default bank account. Okay. Now when you enter any bank account transactions, this bank account, if you check this checkbox, this account will be the default bank account, and when you are entering any banking transaction, that account automatically select for the transaction. Now I'll check one example. We'll go to our bank and credit card list. Now this account is our default account. If you enter any transaction, banking transaction, this default bank account will automatically select. Next, you can select your currency, and most importantly, if you have activated foreign currency module or multi-currency module, you can select bank account currencies. You can activate your multi-currency module from administration, my profile, you can click upgrade button, you can enter one in the multi-currency and click next and finish. Then you can activate your multi-currency module. After that, you can go to company settings, go to company, change company settings, select multi-currency, and here you can activate and you can create your home currency and other currencies. In this example, I have already created multi-currency here. If you are activating your multi-currency, you can first select the home currency. After that, you can add your currencies. Okay. Now when you select home currency, please carefully check and save your home currency. After you enter any banking transaction, after that you cannot change your home currency. Therefore, when you create your multi-currency and when you create your home currency, please check carefully and select the home currency. Next, opening balance. Now in practical situation, you can implement the system for new company, or you can implement the system for all company. So if you are creating a bank account for your, or if you are implementing the system for all company, sometimes there may be opening balance for your bank account. So if you have any opening balance, you can enter the opening balance here, and you can enter the opening balance as a date. Like that, you can enter the opening balance and opening balance as a date. If you are implementing the system for new company, sometimes there may not available opening balance, so you can enter the 0 and you can create your bank account. Next, there are two tabs, activity and notes. In the notes, you can add attachment to your bank account, and to attach you need to save your bank account, and you can add action date, or you can add notes to this bank account. You can select the action date, subject, notes. For example, you can add any meeting. You can enter the meeting date with your bank and subject as meeting, and you can enter any notes like that, and you can save your bank account. And by clicking this plus mark, you can add more notes, and by clicking minus mark, you can remove your, or you can delete your notes. Okay. After you creating bank accounts and after you enter transaction, you can view these activities. Okay. Now you can save your bank account. And when you are saving your bank account, there are two buttons, save and save and new. If you click save, you will go to, after saving this bank account, you will go to list of bank accounts, and if you click save and new, this entered bank account will save and open for new screen for enter new bank account. So if you want to enter more than one bank accounts, you can use this save and new button. Okay, after you create your bank accounts, you can enter customer receipts, supplier payments, accounts payments or receipts, fund transfers, VAT payments and refunds. Like that, you can enter transactions. And when you enter transactions, or after you enter transactions, you will check that activity tab. Now I'll open one account, bank account, and this is activity tab. From here you can view your bank opening balance, customer receipts, supplier payments, account receipt, account payments, transfer out, transfer in, VAT payment, VAT refund, and your bank account balance. By clicking this detail button, you can view the, or you can drill down your bank transactions. Right, after you create your bank accounts, you can go to list of bank accounts. Here you can view how many bank accounts in your company. In this example, I have 18 bank accounts, and in this grid there are some headings, names, bank name, account name, branch code, like that. By clicking these headings, you can sort by ascending or descending order. And if you want to search any bank account, you can type the name and you can search. And if you want to sort by multi-columns, you can use this multi-column sorting. You can add more than one headings and you can search. You can search ascending or descending order. Now in this example, first you will sort by your bank account name, then account number, and if you want to add balance, you can add balance and sort like this. You can sort by multi-columns. Next, you can export this list of banks and credit cards to CSV file like this. Then you can click this customize grid or this gear icon, and you can customize your grid. You can add columns by ticking this checkbox, or if you want to remove any column, you can uncheck and you can save. So now branch code not available. If you want to add branch code again, you can check this checkbox and you can save. Then again branch code will add to the grid. Okay. Next, if you want to view in reports, you can click this quick reports, and you can view your banks and credit cards reports, banks and credit card transaction report, cash movement report, cash flow report, profit and loss report, and balance sheet. Next, there's an action button. By clicking this action button, you can quick view your bank account. You can view balance and transactions, and you can edit the account. You can edit your bank details. And if you want to delete, you can delete this account. Like that, you can edit your bank account using these actions. Next, you can see inactivated delete button. If you tick any bank account, you can delete more than one account by selecting more than one bank account. Okay. Now, if you are deleting only one account, you can use these actions and you can delete. Sometimes if you want to delete more than one account, you can check more than one accounts and you can delete. You delete one account, select actions and delete. System will ask, are you sure you want to delete bank account and the bank account name. If you want to delete, you can click yes and you can delete the bank account. However, if you have any transaction in particular bank account, you cannot delete that bank account. The system will display this bank account have been deleted, 0 bank accounts have been deleted, and one has activity and cannot be deleted. So if you have any transaction in particular bank account, you cannot delete that bank account. Right. Like that, you can create your bank accounts. So every company has a bank account, therefore you need to enter bank transactions like account receipts, account payments, supplier payments, customer receipts, fund transfers, VAT payments and refunds. So to enter those transactions, you need to create your bank account. You can create your bank accounts from banking and click add a bank or credit card, or you can go to list and you can add a bank or credit card. Right. You can enter this your bank account details and you can save your bank account. Right. Like that, you can create your bank account. Next, we will move to practice questions. You can create one home currency bank account and you can create one foreign currency bank account. So by creating these bank accounts, you can get better idea about how to create bank accounts. Okay, so please practice how to create home currency bank account and foreign currency bank account.